Today's tutorial will have two parts. In the first part, I'll show you how to calculate closing inventory. And in the last part, you will learn income statement. The first section means the trading account. Okay, so here you see a question. This one actually taken from IGCSE Accounting first paper. So before we start, let us see what is written on the question. So here Maria opened a shop on 1st January 2023. She provided the following trading information. Okay, then we see here gross margin 40%. So using this gross margin, easily we can calculate gross profit. Okay, then here purchase price $70 per unit. Okay, point to be noted. Then here we have carriage inwards $2 per unit. Okay, so here we have inventory 130 unit. Okay, this is not price, 130 units at 31st December 2023 means at the end of the financial period. These are the number of units as an inventory. Okay, then here we have some more informations. These are not related to calculate closing inventory. Okay, how to calculate now closing inventory? So we have here closing inventory 130 units. Okay, and the purchase price $70 per unit. Okay, and we have carriage as well, carriage inwards, so $2. Okay, so now purchase price will be 70 plus 2 equal to $72. Okay, so let us write here purchase price equal to 70 plus 2. So here we get $72. Okay, now many of you make mistake here. When you calculate closing inventory, you do not take the carriage inward with the purchase price. Okay, so but you know carriage inward is a part of purchase price of the goods. Okay, then here we have inventory, it is 130 units. Yeah, so now if we multiply 72 by 130 units, we will get the closing inventory price. Yeah, so let us write here now closing inventory equal to, so here number of units we see 130, and here per unit price is $72. So if we multiply $9,360. Okay, this is our closing inventory. So next tutorial will be very important. As I told you, here in this question there is no sales. We have to calculate the selling price, means the revenue. Then we have to prepare the income statement. So there I will show you how to calculate, how to figure out the gross profit by preparing the first section of income statement.